Goodness gracious.
Get it together, Lautner.
I know, I'm
Take a
struggling
pic.
over here. Is that what my hair looks like?
There you go. Hi, I'm Lea Michele, and this is...
Taylor Lautner.
And we're sitting here now asking each other some really fun questions. And oh yeah, we're on Scream Queens.
It's true.
All right, where are you from?
I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Interesting. I have no idea where that is.
It's in a state called Michigan. All right, Leah, what's your middle name?
Guess.
It's Christopher.
Good guess.
It's not
but
bad.
it's Michele. That's my middle name, and I use it
it
as my
is?
last name.
No way.
We're doing so good.
This is chemistry, guys.
Of your previous projects, which cast member have you laughed the most with on set? Is it Robert Pattinson? Do you laugh a lot with him?
I don't laugh a lot with him.
Is he so funny?
I can't understand anything he's saying. I would go with Kristen.
Okay.
We laugh a lot together.
There you go.
Yeah.
Something people may not have known, and they know now.
Breaking news. All right, serious question. Do you still get starstruck?
Yes.
You do?
Yes, I just saw Guy Fieri from Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, and I saw him at Coachella, and I almost cried because that's my favorite show. I really get starstruck when I see reality stars.
Me too.
I don't know what it is about them.
Yeah.
But if I ever saw, like, a housewife,
Right.
I would probably, it's like, that would be a fantastic moment.
I'm same thing.
Really?
Yeah, if I
Like
were to
what?
see, like, a Bachelor.
Yeah.
Or, yes, I just admitted I watched The Bachelor.
Okay.
Who taught you how to drive?
Well, that's interesting. My mom did teach me to drive when I was, like, 9 in case of emergency.
Where are you doing that?
I was in New York. I learned really
That's
in
tough.
a tough city.
Yeah, here we go. Are you feeling lucky today?
Oh, is it a scratcher? It's for money! We could win! I didn't win. You're not getting your lucky thing.
Oh.
With that penny.
Okay.
Emma buys scratchers every day. P.S. Fun fact. What's the theme song for your grand entrance?
Have you ever seen Mulan?
The most important thing that happened here today is that I know that you've seen Mulan. You guys, this has been the most fun time. Out of everyone else that was here today, we were definitely the best. It's not a competition, but if it were, we would probably win. Signing off, Lea Michele.
Taylor.
Watch
Lautner.
Scream Queens. See ya.